In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a security header in funnels or websites using GoHighLevel. This is a critical step for enhancing the security of your online platform and ensuring that your website visitors have a safe browsing experience. We'll walk through a straightforward yet essential process to secure your site by embedding security meta tags directly into your funnel or website settings. First, you'll need to open your funnel or website settings. Head over to the Sites section on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From there, you can either select Funnels if you're working with a funnel, or Websites if it's a regular website. Once you've navigated to your desired page, you'll need to open it to begin implementing these changes. This is where you adjust the settings to add the necessary security elements. Once you're in the settings, locate the tracking code or head code section of the page. This is typically found within the settings menu and is where you'll paste your required codes. It's crucial to make sure you're in the right section, as this ensures the codes are implemented correctly across your site. Now let's add the security meta tags. You'll want to paste a set of meta tags into the head tracking code section. These tags are designed to bolster the security of your site by preventing various vulnerabilities. The first tag you'll insert is to prevent MIME type sniffing. This helps reduce the risk of certain types of attacks by instructing browsers to follow the declared content type strictly. Next, we include a basic XSS, cross-site scripting protection tag. This is fundamental in protecting your users from malicious scripts that could be inserted into web pages they are viewing. It instructs the browser to block any detected attacks, making your site more secure. Following that, we set a referrer policy, which dictates how much referrer information should be shared when navigating from your site to another. Setting a strict origin when cross-origin policy ensures that this communication is limited to the strict minimum, enhancing privacy. Then we add a permissions policy. These settings restrict the use of certain features like camera, microphone, and geolocation, providing an added layer of privacy for your users by disabling these functionalities unless directly required and allowed. Finally, it's critical to implement a Content Security Policy, CSP. This comprehensive directive controls which resources can be loaded by your site, significantly reducing the risk of various attacks, including XSS. Configure it by specifying source values for different content like scripts, styles, images, and more. This encapsulates the entire environment in which your website operates, ensuring that only trusted content is executed. By following these steps and embedding these meta tags properly, you create a more secure environment for your visitors and build trust with your audience. That's it for today's guide on creating a safer, more secure website using GoHighLevel. I hope this tutorial has been both informative and easy to follow. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to continue prioritizing security across all your online endeavors.